So
How are the hands?
we have to search you, okay? I have to search you to make sure you haven't got anything on you that can harm you or us or anything that can help you escape. We will get an interpreter for you, okay? No, just wait. I have to search you, okay? I have to do that, yeah?
ਉਹ ਜੇ ਕਹਾਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਕੋਈ ਹਾਮ ਵਾਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ I'm just talking.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's over. This has been searched, there's nothing in here. If you find anything, it will be yours. We'll attribute it to you. Okay?
There's a camera as well, got all the audio. Alright?